welcome fifth graders. We're moving on to day 2 in our Unit 1 studies, which are on partners in survival. How do animals, plants, and different organisms work together to survive? Right? And our target or our objective today is I can use nonfiction text features to help me ask questions. Right? So this is similar to yesterday, where we looked at the title and we looked at the pictures to help us ask questions. Because we know if we start asking ourselves questions, it helps us understand the article. We're searching for answers. All right, and the second objective here is one that we'll touch base on when we get to the phonics lesson for day 2. All right, again, we're going to need our Partners in Survival book. And today we're focusing on an article called The Three Sisters Farming Method. And that's on pages 8 and 9. Right? I'm interested in this one just because I don't know very much about farming. All right. Now today, I'm going to backtrack here just a second, because today you're going to be reading this article independently. Now I'm going to show you one of your options for reading this. Now, you might choose to just sit down with your book, write the questions that you have in the margins, annotate your text as we did yesterday. Or you might choose to use this audio version that will be connected in your English folder. And this just allows you to listen to the story. Okay? And if you're having a hard time understanding, it might be a good idea to do both. Listen to it the first time and then read it the second time. All right. But your annotations, I think, is easiest if you put right in your book in handwriting. Okay. That way you can connect to the questions and they will help you as you read through the story. When you're done reading, and I shouldn't even say when you're done, while you're reading, I want you to think about this additional question. What effect does the inclusion of each plant in the Three Sisters farming method have on the other 2 plants? Okay, so while you're reading, really pay attention to each one of the plants and what do they do for the other plants. Okay, so if I were going to organize my writing, I might focus on one plant and talk about the effects that plant has on the others. And then I would move to the second plant, talk about the effects, and then finally to the third plant. All right, so as you're reading today, make sure you start looking at the pictures, the title. Think about your questions and write them down. Read for understanding, annotate, stay engaged in the text, and then when you're done, answer this question in your English notebook. All right, nice work, fifth graders. I'm looking forward to reading your answers.